Hi, Mark Wilhelm here with the Green Ideas Save Energy team. I'm here with Jalal Avedis and Rick Carr. And Rick's going to talk to us a little bit about some experiences that he's had recently on energy savings and implementing great projects with school districts, right?
Mm-hmm. Looking at our team, Mark, I noticed that amongst the three of us and our companies that we work for over 50 school districts across the state, helping them successfully complete construction and energy projects. One of them in particular was the Desert Edge Phase 2 High School Edition, which became LEED certified silver.
Yeah, I remember.
We worked on that together for Agua Fria Union High School District.
It was the first in the nation, wasn't it, for silver, LEED silver?
First in Arizona,
Okay.
Public high school that actually met the governor's mandate for state-funded buildings to be LEED silver certified.
Fantastic.
So we were able to work within the district's budget, as you recall, and we completed that project a month ahead of schedule.
Yeah, that part was pretty amazing. You delivered on time and under budget?
That's correct.
That's pretty, that's rare. You know, I frankly haven't seen that very often.
Doesn't happen all the time.
No, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Well, I remember that was a lot of fun, that project. I really got to know, it was one of the first LEED projects in the state, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There weren't many people out there who really understood it well.
Well, it was done under LEED new construction at the
Okay.
time, 2004. So LEED was just becoming sort of commonplace in the state of Arizona at that time.
Okay, okay. And I know our client was very focused on getting this done, very focused on energy efficiency and also on the sustainability aspects.
Exactly. Agua Fria at the time was a very progressive school district in this regards.
Yes.
Both the facilities director and the maintenance director that we work with were really advocating to, and maybe they kind of foresaw the future that the state is in at this time where we're struggling with budgets now. They knew that energy efficiency across the board was very important for school districts.
I think you're right.
Clients as well.
I think you're right on target. It was interesting. I remember one situation where we went through and we actually, you know, Jalal, in the LEED system, you've got, you can earn points for installing the CO2 monitors and the like. Yeah, we actually installed some over there. And it turned out in some areas of the school, we were able to determine that they were achieving very high CO2 parts per million levels, which the maintenance manager and they were not, they didn't realize that they were that high without the monitoring, and of course immediately fixed it. But you know, that's related to health and performance issues, right, Jalal?
Correct. I mean, that's very important for the man people that be within the classroom, that they need to see enough oxygen, enough outside air, fresh air, for them to perform, for them to, for the achievement, I mean, especially
That's it.
the classrooms and test rooms.
Yeah.
For example.
Well, and since that time, the school facilities board has, you know, mandated that CO2 monitoring be provided in schools.
Brilliant.
As they're built since that time. But you get into some important issues. Districts, you know, or clients may not really realize how well their students or their employees are performing. You can have those systems in there, but what is actually happening? They may notice an issue with their students or their staff, but they don't know what the reason is.
That's
where
a great
I think
point.
our team can come and help a client and say, well, you know what, here's the issue.
Yes, I think that's really smart, because there is like evidence-based design issues that we've heard about a lot in healthcare and in schools. We're understanding the impacts of the school, the facility, the buildings, and the systems, how they integrate and how they work to provide an environment that's conducive acoustically to teaching, that is comfortable, thermally comfortable, that has the proper amount of oxygen delivered into the room for the population, that saves energy and does all these things, doesn't have glare on the tables and such, and
Reduce absenteeism.
and reduced absenteeism, absolutely. And maybe even keeping teachers there longer. If you're a teacher in a room that's particularly noisy and it's tough to get attention or keep attention in that room.
Especially in large classrooms, that you have to raise his voice to reach the last student in the room.
Exactly, Jalal.
So that's why acoustic is very important.
Yes.
Just like the outside air.
Just like the outside air. And we can help with that sort of stuff. That's the beauty, I think, with the energy and the project management, construction management, architecture background. That's why the Green Ideas Save Energy team is here. There's another example of some experience that we have. And we look forward to working with you, so please give us a call. Thank you very much.